Hi guys, welcome back to Motor Girl. Today is a really exciting video. We're going to be putting these new wheels on my missus. They're going on the MX5.
On the E30?
No, the MX5.
Yeah, but we bought them for the E30.
No, they bought them for my missus for her MX5. We're not putting them on the E30.
But let's get into it.
Thought we talked about this, Max.
Don't do this to me.
But they're not for you.
Yeah, but my car's cooler, so.
Is it?
Yeah, definitely.
That's debatable.
This is really.
Can you even do it?
Absolutely not.
If you can do it, I'll let you try them on your car. Or what not to do.
Yeah?
Yeah, actually work.
Yeah, that means I get them.
You don't get them, you get to try them on the car. I shook your hand.
Verbal agreement.
What?
Yeah, no.
Okay, the verbal agreement of you trying them on your car.
No, you said if you can do it.
I'm pretty sure I didn't. That's a little.
Let's rewind.
Yeah, little cut back. Yeah. If you can do it, I'll let you try them on your car. You get to try them. You get to see what they look like. But they're only 16s, so I don't know how they'll look on your car.
Well, they're the same as what these are.
Are these 16s?
These are 15s or 16s.
Right, okay.
These are 15s.
So what are you using? You're using a 17 mils?
17 mil socket.
Which, funny enough, is the
all
same.
The power in my leg.
Yes, and the weight behind that leg. Which, funny enough, 17 mil is the exact same size as all the bolts for the seats, which we found out, and the seatbelt mountings. So you know, little E30 trivia there. Seats and wheels are the same size.
He is good at speaking.
Yes.
All right, should we get Jack?
Yes. Is it still rotten?
No.
This is the most support I can be at this point. Max, why don't you explain to the ladies and gents what you're doing?
I'm doing wheel bolts.
Wow.
Wow.
How exciting. Oh, and then give it a little bit of that, bit of that.
Come in.
And then, no. There she comes. Look how non-rusty that is. I put it on. You'd have to paint the bolts.
Yeah.
They look a bit silly.
I'm gonna get grey or black, I suppose. So why are you letting me put your wheels on my car?
Because I'm kind of interested to see how they would look.
I don't think I'd run them daily.
What, like a track wheel?
I think there's a track wheel.
But I thought you said this thing was never going to go on track.
No.
Or you didn't want it to be a track car.
It's not going to be a track car, but I'm going to take it on track.
What defines a track car?
Or a car that you use only on the track.
You would take on track.
No, a track car is a car that you have just to go to the track with.
Is it?
Yeah.
I suppose you have track car and then you have like trackable.
Yeah. So you have like a fast Sunday car which is quick enough to go on the track, or you have a track car as a car that would be really uncomfortable using on the road.
So this is neither, because it's not quick enough to go on track.
No.
And it's also not a track car, so what is it?
It's a nice daily driver at the moment.
Nice daily driver.
Better than your daily driver.
Depends what you mean with better.
Well, your daily driver is currently up in the air with no rear subframe in it.
A daily driver
Well, it was your daily
is
driver
a
before.
modern diesel
Boring.
car. Ready?
Yeah.
You see the magic?
Maybe I should take this off the road.
Gently drop the car down.
Yeah.
Looks alright.
You know what? I'm not as much of a fan as I thought I would be. I think the offset's not right.
No, it needs to be wider.
It needs to be lower as well.
Should we stop messing about and put them on
Yeah.
the car they were supposed
Let's
to go
chalk this up as a failed experiment, I think.
Yeah. Well, no, I think a successful experiment because we've worked out that they look crap.
Can you want the other wheel to sit on or something?
Yeah, you can go grab the other wheel. Crack these off. They're groaning.
Hmm?
Yeah, the brake's groaning. Oh, she's cracked.
So you're upgrading from some Radstar 185 60 14 wheel on your stock rims.
Yeah, perfect condition. Not a single.
No curb marks or anything.
No curves, no scratches.
None there at all.
Nope, nothing.
And we're upgrading from them to TOYO Proxes,
What?
which are
Oh yeah.
what are they? 195/50 R15. So again, an inch bigger on the rim, half an inch wider in the tyre. Is that right?
I don't know tyre things.
And the wheels themselves are what? They're Ultralite.
Yeah,
They're
like-
RPF1 reps, aren't they?
They're
Basically.
reps, yeah, because I don't have like 800 quid to buy a set of real ones and then tyres.
So they're pretty good reps, bronze to go with the car.
Yeah, and this isn't really like it's not built for performance. It's not got like a turbo yet.
Yeah.
Or anything like that. It's alright.
It's basically just to make it look like it's not a stock 90s
Yeah, just make it
Miata.
look a bit nicer. That's all.
Oh, that fits nice, doesn't it?
Yeah. No, it does as well. It's not really got a poke on it. It's kind of level with the old arch.
Very good.
Very nice. I think it shows that the car needs some lows, maybe.
Yeah. I mean, does it fail the shoe test? By a long way.
Yes.
So,
But it's the missus's car, so she's not. There's not too much poke. So these are 15s and they're ET30, so offset is 30.
ET30.
Yeah. The standard wheel has an offset of 45.
So these poke out a bit
So they
less,
poke out a bit
a
more.
bit more.
Yeah. Right, let's get the others done.
We do. Just tightening those up to factory torque settings.
Yep, to effing tight. And you got to check them. Drive them 50 miles and check them. Redo them.
Yes.
Looks better. Definitely needs the lows.
Yeah. Go and jump up and down the rear, see if it settles a bit.
No, I think that's it, mate.
Is it just that high?
Yeah.
But
There's
going
probably
from
on the way to work, so she doesn't want to lower it too much.
from that boring stock MX5 to
Boring.
boring
Perfectly engineered.
to that boring, slightly modified MX5.
Wow.
Wow.
That is bold.
I said it.
Old BMW.
You heard it here first. MX5s are boring.
I hope you get hate from the 34 subscribers for that.
Oh yeah. Well, all of the people who comment on our videos.
Yes. So that's it. That's us putting some new wheels on the Mazda, not the E30, because they looked rubbish.
They did.
So obviously we need to get a few lows for the car.
I'll just sit on it the whole time.
Yeah, I'll just have to employ Max to sit in the boot continuously. That's much cheaper than buying a cheap set of coilovers. But yeah, this is kind of how it looks with standard suspension. Like I said earlier, the offset 30, 15 inch from 14 inch wheels, standard kind of stuff.
It's not waffling and do an outro.
Yes. Anyway, thank you for watching. We'll catch you on the next one when we're putting
If you
some
liked
seats.
us, click like and subscribe. If you didn't like us, sorry.
Yeah. And we're going to put some seats in the E30 next time. Well, we've already done it, but the next video is putting seats in the E30. Sweet. Bye.